Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, your sunny escape to fresh, wholesome dishes inspired by the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean.
Hello, today's recipe is truly delightful. You'll be surprised how it's easy to make.
Okay, my friend, let's dive into it.
Bonjour, my friends. Today we go to the French countryside to explore a real treasure, pâte de campagne, or as we say, country-style pâte. This simple pâte from humble beginnings is very special in French cooking. Imagine a cozy farmhouse kitchen smelling of herbs and spices. This is where country-style pâte comes from, a dish born from tough times and clever cooks. Country-style pâte shows how the French use every bit of the animal. It's a celebration of simple ingredients turned into a delicious mix of flavors. This isn't some fancy pâté from a city restaurant. This is food from the earth, honest and full of flavor. The beauty of country-style pâté is its simplicity. Anyone can make it, bringing a bit of French country charm to their table. So let's get our ingredients and start this cooking adventure. Now let's get cooking. First, we take our pork shoulder, cut into small pieces. We mix it with ground pork belly to make it rich. Salt, pepper, thyme, garlic. These are the tastes of the French countryside. A splash of cognac just because never hurts. Now, we put our mix in a terrine with a little surprise in the middle, hard-boiled eggs. This is what makes a real country-style pâté. We close the terrine tight with a pastry crust like tucking it into bed. A few pokes on top to let the steam out. Now, into the oven it goes, nice and slow. The smell that fills the kitchen. Ah, magnifique! After a good while we take it out and let it rest. Patience, my friends, is important for a good pâté. Once cooled, our country-style pâté is ready to eat. Slice it thick, spread it on crusty bread. A simple salad on the side, a glass of red wine. Voila! A taste of the French countryside right at home. Imagine a big stone fireplace. The warmth feels like a hug. Copper pots shine, hanging from the ceiling. The air smells of wood smoke and simmering spices. This is the heart of a French farmhouse, the kitchen. Old wooden tables have marks from many years. Rolling pins and baking sheets tell stories of many meals. Sunlight comes through small windows, lighting up dust dancing in the air. This is a place where time slows down. A place for family, for friends, for good food and laughter. In this kitchen, country-style pâté is more than just food. It's a symbol of welcome, of sharing, of tradition. It reminds us of the simple good things in life, shared with loved ones. Country-style pâté isn't just about the food, it's about connection. Connection to the land, to tradition, to the people with us. It's a taste of history, a reminder of simpler times. In our busy world, it tells us to slow down, to enjoy the moment. Each bite of country-style pâté is a trip back to the French countryside. It reminds us that good food, made with love and care, brings people together. So the next time you want something real, something with heart, remember the country-style pâté. It's a dish that speaks of tradition, of community, and of the simple joys of life. And that, my friends, is a taste worth enjoying. Bon appétit!
Here at Afsan Farm, we believe in the power of good food and its impact on our well-being. Our mission is to present you with mouth-watering recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body and soul. We're all about promoting a healthy lifestyle through the magic of cooking, and we can't wait to share our culinary adventures with you.
Feeling the vibe, life ain't no race. In the street, hungry on the beat. Joy in the air, can't take a seat. Smiles all around everyone I meet. Living life loud, don't need no shit. Stronger than steel, everyday feast, got a good meal, peace in my mind, that's the real deal, step by step, life revealed, family tight, bond stronger than steel, everyday feast, got a good meal, peace in my mind, that's the real deal, step by step, life revealed.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and easy recipes.
Drums pound hard in this life I found, happiness around, circle all around, friends gather close, stories we share, moments free.